Hey, Pukasnow Crochet here. In this video, I'll guide you on how to crochet this adorable butterfly hair clip. This crocheted hair clip is super simple and quick to make, so I hope that after watching this video, you'll be able to create your own adorable clip. Crochet upper wing. First, we crochet the upper wings of the butterfly. Row 1. Crochet 9 chains. Turn back at the second stitch. Crochet 7 single crochets. At the last stitch, crochet 3 single crochets into the same stitch. On the opposite side, crochet 7 single crochets. Slip stitch to finish the first row. Chain 1 to start row 2. Row 2, first slip stitch into the same stitch where you chained 1. Next, crochet 2 single crochet stitches. Crochet 1 half double crochet. 1 double crochet. Make 2 triple crochets in the same stitch, repeat 7 times. One double crochet. One half double crochet. 2 single crochet stitches. 1 slip stitch. Add 1 slip stitch to finish the second crochet row. Crochet 1 more butterfly wing the same way. Now we crochet the wing below. First row, crochet 7 chain stitches. Turn back, crochet 5 single crochet stitches into the second stitch. In the last stitch, crochet 3 single crochet stitches into the same stitch. On the opposite side, crochet 5 single crochet stitches. One slip stitch to finish row 1. Crochet 1 chain stitch to move up to row 2. Row 2, crochet 1 single crochet stitch into the stitch where you made the chain. 1/2 double crochet stitch. 1 double crochet stitch. 2 triple crochet stitches into the same stitch. We crochet 1 triple stitch and 1 double crochet stitch into the same stitch. Crochet 2 chain stitches. Make 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. Continue by crocheting 2 chain stitches. Crochet 1 double crochet stitch and 1 triple stitch into the same stitch. Crochet 2 triple crochet stitches into the same stitch. Into the next stitch, crochet 1 double crochet stitch. Next, crochet 1/2 double crochet stitch. One single crochet stitch. Finally, crochet 1 slip stitch to finish the row. Now let's decorate the butterfly. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next one. Take care and happy crocheting!